Hello, today I will show you how to extend song in Suno AI. So let's start the main video. First, open Suno AI. Make sure you are logged in. Now click on Library. Now choose the song that you have generated by Suno AI. Then click on three dots. Now click on Remix and Edit. Then click on Extend. In this section, choose your part of song that you want to extend. Then write your new lyrics in the lyrics box. After that, click on Create. What exactly Suno AI? Well, Suno AI is an AI music generator that can create full songs, lyrics, vocals, melody, and background music, just from a text prompt. Basically, you type what kind of song you want, and Suno turns it into an actual track. Why you should use Suno AI? Suno AI lets you create full songs, lyrics, vocals, and music, just from a text prompt, making it perfect for content creators, social media, or anyone without musical skills. It's super fast, affordable, and supports multiple genres and moods, giving you original tracks with AI-generated vocals in seconds. Besides saving time and money compared to traditional music production, it also sparks creativity by letting you experiment with different styles, themes, and melodies, making it a powerful tool for anyone looking to make unique, copyright-safe music quickly. That's it. Thanks for watching.